Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. He's our #1 hero.
Hello!
But he's...
Who do we appreciate? Practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway.
My way! I have unfinished business here, and I want to finish it fast! The diesel 10's back!
Yes, 10 out of 10.
Better still, buzz off!
Botheration!
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing trying to make this a better railway for steam engines? So Topham Hatt says the harder we work, the less he'll need diesels to help.
Help you?
Oh.
You'll always need help. Because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Aren't.
Are? Now, I've come back to find a lost steam engine.
What?
I'm gonna destroy her and dump...
Yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah, he came in.
Not the one I want. She escaped me once before. As long as she exists, so do the others. But if she can be destroyed...
Destroyed? Did you say destroyed? D-word. Like hurt?
Yeah, destroyed.
There's one small problem there, boss.
Yeah, Mr. Conductor's coming, and he won't let you destroy.
He won't let you.
No.
I can do whatever I want. I'll get him, too. With Pinchy. Ow, Pinchy! I hate it when you do that.
Far away on Sodor, the steam engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels.
Puffy pistons.
Thomas, I should have collected Mr. Conductor.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets. All that steam has gone to your funnel.
Oh, sorry, Brutes. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now.
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing. Choo!
Just a little sweeter, I think.
All right, Pinchy, my little bucket of badness. Time to feast yourself.
Now that's better.
Cinders and ashes, it's Diesel.
Diesel? Oh, no. Hello, Twinkle Toes. I got a plan, and you're not in it.
You can't catch me, Diesel.
Losing your sparkle, huh? What perfect timing. Now, where is that lost engine?
You won't find her here.
You're not clever enough to stop me.
Oh, yes, I am.
No, you're not. What is that?
That's right, it's sugar, Diesel. And if I throw this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good.
Make the most of tonight, Twinkle Toes, because you won't like tomorrow. Neither will that line of tin kettles. Shut up, Pinchy.
Mr. Conductor, but what happened to your sparkle?
I don't know, Thomas. I'll just have to sleep on that.
On your sparkle?
No, Thomas. On the problem of what happened to it.
Oh, but Mr. Conductor, without your sparkle or the lost engine, you can't travel.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous. Ah! What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust. Ah!
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone.
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide. Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry.
Get back!
Come on, lady.
Coming, Puffball. Look out! Here I come! Duck, Pinchy!
Stop that noise! Bellowed the Fat Controller.
Come on, lady! Little engines can do big things!
Puffball! Teapot! Tin Kettle! Oh, well. Nice time of the year for a cruise.
You couldn't it them lady takes away bother of me.